What's going on, guys? Welcome to Rob's house. We're in a new event today that I've never had a chance to come to here in Nashville. We are at Bulls and Bagels at the Lamborghini dealership. Posted up next to an F40, which is pretty freaking wild. I've never even seen one of these in person before. This thing is sweet. And I got to park right next to it. I got the last spot. Well, actually, this car just pulled out. There was a car here. And I got the last spot. We got a lot of cool stuff to check out here. This bag. What is this? This is a very clean install. Oh, this is a 458 Destroyer car. Thing is absolutely dumb. This looks insane. Bunch of McLarens here. One's got the doors up over here. This is crazy. There's so many people here. Just parking was a little bit nerve-wracking, so I didn't want to hit anybody. This is probably, I would say this is the most Lamborghinis I've ever seen at one time, ever. Obviously a lot of Huracans, Gallardos, Technica over here. Ooh, here we go. The big boys. The Aventador and the Revuelto. If you guys haven't seen a Revuelto in person, they look absolutely insane. So on these, one of the cool things is their engine is completely, there's no cover on this. And I love the center exit exhaust on them. They look sick. And then we got an Aventador SV right next to it. Very cool. We got a, actually this looks just like Jonathan's car. This Evo over here. I wonder if that is Jonathan. I'll have to text him and see if he's here. That is like the exact same spec as his car. Another Technica coming in. There's the next goal right over there, Bivens.
That's right.
See that? My color too. Oh, another Revuelto. There's another one over here. Revuelto. Who?
Sammy.
Oh, these.
Yeah, got here.
The eventual dream.
Yes.
Is that?
Yes.
So, I mean, I love my Huracan, but a green SVJ, you know, pretty much has my name written all over it. And another green Aventador pulling in. SV and an SVJ right next to it. Absolutely nuts. It's literally the perfect spec. Green accents. One of 800. He doesn't have the giant SVJ decal on the side, which honestly I like. I like it better debadged. It looks cleaner. There was a spot like two down or right next to me.
Well,
left.
Yeah, they're trying to get more Lambos in.
Oh, okay.
So
yeah, no worries.
I'm not gonna swing around. I'll leave him the road.
Bivens doesn't get to park with us anymore.
I don't get to park with
He sold his Lambo.
Out of the Lambro group.
He's out of the Lambro group now. Now he's an old man. He drives a Ferrari.
Yeah, that's old man supercar.
That's yeah, exactly.
He's got a cane too now.
He's got. Are you limping? Are you limping? Are you okay? Are you okay?
We got tennis balls for the walker. It's great.
We mess with each other all the time. Dude, the most I've ever seen, I've seen one Aventador in person ever. And now there's, I don't even know how many there are here. I've seen at least like 5 or 6 already. I've seen 2 Revueltos. There's this blue one that just pulled in. And that gray one that I saw earlier. This is like overwhelming.
Oh, it's insane. I told you it was gonna be huge.
It's definitely huge. We got to get the drone in there and show these guys the traffic is all the way down the freaking road. Like, we're talking like a mile of traffic. It's crazy. We did find Jonathan.
It's all ancestral around here.
Jonathan, I was just saying on the vlog, I walked past the Evo and I was like, that looks just like Jonathan's car. I wonder if it is Jonathan's car.
Yeah, I saw you roll in.
Yeah. We left Bivens. Can't park for the cool kids. Oh yeah?
Yeah, I think I do.
I am an idiot because I got a new phone and I need a different cable for my drone. So I can't fly it unless I have a USB-C to C cable because I have a C to Lightning. How many tech nerds does it take to fly a drone? We'll find out today. Can Zach save the day? This is what a professional camera bag looks like, guys. Mine does not look like that. Get out! Yes! Thank you. Perfect. I'll get back to you at the end. Thank you so much.
You're good.
We got it. Now I can fly the drone.
Did y'all, was it just y'all two, or did other
Yeah,
people
well,
come
and
with you?
yeah, Zach rode with
Zach.
them, but yeah. Yo, this blue is sick, actually. That looks really good. Is that a 488?
Yeah.
No, it's fine. I like the, well, I guess because they're hardtop, but I like the spiders.
Lamborghini bought a patent for a hardtop.
Okay.
They haven't said they're going to do anything or released anything yet, but they said potentially in a couple of years they're going to build one for the Revuelto.
For the Revuelto? Oh, that would be sick.
Sick,
I was going to say, was it going to be the Temerario or the Revuelto? Oh, another Huracan coming in. Yeah, this AMG, that is cool. I like that green. Is that paint?
Hey John, you see that AMG?
That's
what we were just talking about.
Yeah.
That's what we're just looking at.
Is that paint, or is that like stealth PPF, or what?
They make a color. It's called gold green.
Yeah.
That might be what it is.
It looks sick.
Look at those wheels, man.
Oh, Aerodisc?
They had a.
It's stealth PPF.
That's definitely
It is stealth
car.
PPF.
Does it?
It's stealth PPF. That's the paint, though. It's just, I'm assuming it's gloss. If you look
Yeah, I
right
think
here, you can
that's-
see it right here.
that's the name of it.
You see it right there. It's stealth PPF.
Yeah.
That's sick, though. That green with the stealth PPF, it looks awesome. And the Aerodisc wheels, those are kind of growing on me on some of these Euro cars. That's like the new thing. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but this is a color shifting 720S. Is this a wrap? It is a wrap. It's pretty sweet, though. Got a 675 LT next to it, Spider. Pretty sick. I think this is the most exotics I've ever seen in one place, like ever. This definitely beats Harper's in terms of concentration of exotics. Sheer number of cars, no, but exotics, yes, for sure. Guys, I don't know if I walked past this or not earlier, but there's a CENTENARIO here, which is crazy. I never thought I'd even see one of these in person. This thing is wild. Check this thing out. I don't know how well it comes through on camera. The lighting is not great. You basically have like a, I think the powertrain's basically the Aventador, but the interior is a little different. The screen in the middle is huge. Obviously that one's drawing a lot of attention. Actually, we could go into the showroom too. Oh, Serato. The Aventador says sold. Ultimate, this is a Roadster. I didn't even realize at first it is a Roadster. Pretty sick. Honestly, this is actually, it's funny because I own one, but it's my first time in a Lamborghini dealership. This is, I guess, where you can spec out all of your options. Sorry, I didn't mean to crash the party. This is where you can spec out. They have all the different color options and different wheels and all that stuff, and interior options. So when you spec out your car, you can get exactly what you want, and you can kind of just like see what the colors look like in person. Because sometimes, I mean, you guys know from buying any cars, right? When you look at stuff on the internet on your computer, it sometimes looks different in person. The color representation is not always totally accurate on the computer. So yeah. There's one bad thing about this event: they're out of coffee. You got the last one?
You got the
no
last
coffee.
one, yeah.
Man, It's all right. I'll have to stop on my way home. I'll grab a Monster on the way home. Well, we're gonna eat afterward anyway before we go home, right? So yeah. So whatever. It's no big deal. This I don't think was here when I pulled up. The Mercy. Let's go. This was what I had a poster of as a kid. Oh, it's gated. Oh man. Okay, this is badass. Dude. Yo, did you see that?
Yeah, I helped him back it in.
It's gated.
Me and Jamie helped him back, or Jeremy helped him back it in. Yeah.
That's a manual.
Yeah.
Aren't there only like 500?
Not a lot.
There's not a lot.
No.
I forget the exact number. I want to say there's only 500. I have to look it up though. That's very rare. Most Mercies that you see out in the wild, if you see one, is going to be E-gear, so it's going to have paddle shifters. To see a gated manual one, 3-pedal, that is a unicorn for sure. This thing's wild. Turcon in the glossy version of the color that mine is. Pretty sick.
We don't really call
Definitely has an exhaust. This is basically, there's another one here. This is basically the same gray as mine, but you can see the gloss versus the satin. I think the satin, I mean, I'm biased obviously because it's mine, but I think the satin makes it look a lot meaner. Vivian's old car. That's so funny. It's still local. And then he went to Ferrari. This guy. Well, everyone's starting to roll out, so I think that's going to close out the vlog for today. But this was an awesome event. I'm really glad I finally got to make it to this. There's just so much cool stuff here. It was seriously a lot of fun. Bivens was the one who told me about it, and I had never been before, so I wanted to come check it out. That about wraps it up for today. As usual, hope this video is entertaining. I'll see you guys next time.